Go home happy with the 2011 Ford Mustang. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Take control of the track or the scenic route in the iconic Mustang. Its high-performance acceleration, balanced feel, smart tech, and crisp steering, coupled with its unmistakable, bold looks, are poised to take your driving pleasure to new heights. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Life is short. Make every drive count in this fiery Mustang. The excitement begins with a test drive. We'll toss you the keys and start you on your way.